I can't contain my excitement for our plane ride.
Hurry, everyone. The taxi's waiting.
Need a hand with those bags?
That would be wonderful, thank you.
Off to the airport, I presume?
Indeed, straight to the terminal, please. Could you drop us at the entrance?
Absolutely. That'll be $7.50.
Keep the change. Many thanks.
Wishing you a pleasant flight.
Mom, what's our first stop?
To the check-in counter. Let's get moving.
What do we do there?
Checking in our bags and getting our boarding passes. Let's go.
Wow, there's quite a line.
Don't worry, it'll move quickly.
Good day. Tickets and passports, please.
Here you go.
How many bags today?
Just 2.
Put them on the scale, please.
Sure thing.
Here are your boarding passes.
Thanks.
Gate B2, 1120.
Thank you.
Bags here, please, and pockets empty.
Why is this machine so nosy, Dad?
That's the X-ray scanner, sweetheart. Now, through the scanner.
Escalator to the gate, everyone.
We'll wait there until boarding.
What's this tunnel for, Dad?
This is the boarding bridge, Sophia. It leads us straight to the plane.
Welcome aboard, folks. Here are your seats.
Look, Mom, we're flying.
You bet, sweetheart.
Meal choices,
Chicken and rice, please.
and for drinks.
I'd like lemonade, please.
Water will be fine for us, thanks.
Fasten your seatbelts, folks. We're preparing for landing. Thank you. Have a great day.
Can we go to the hotel now, Mom?
First, let's retrieve our bags from baggage claim.
Hit like and subscribe for more helpful content.